we have given diagram. AB line is the perpendicular bisector of CE segment. First we have to find CB. Because AB line is perpendicular bisector of CE segment, it means that CB is equal to EB from the definition of perpendicular bisector. So first a question, we have to find CB. CB is equal, like I said, to EB. Why? Because AB is the perpendicular bisector of CE, and we know that if AB is perpendicular bisector of CE, then B is the midpoint of segment CE. It means that the segment CB is congruent to segment EB. So this we have because AB line is perpendicular bisector of CE. Of CE segment. So CB is equal to EB, and we have that EB is 14. So let me copy this one more time. CB is equal EB and is equal 14. We have given that EB is 14. So we found CB. Next, we have to find AC. Question B, we have to find AC. AC is given by expression 7a plus 4. What else? Because AB is the perpendicular bisector of CE, it means from the perpendicular bisector theorem that side CA is equal to side EA, or we can write AC is still the same side, is equal to AE. So AC is equal to AE by perpendicular bisector theorem. AC is equal to AE. So AC is given by expression 7a plus 4, so we will substitute left side by 7a plus 4, and AE is given by expression 9a minus 8. So now we have to solve this equation and find unknown A. So I will move 7a to the right side because the coefficient big for a is greater on the right side, and I want to get positive expressions. We will move 7a to the right side and negative a to the left side. So we will copy 4 and will be plus 8 is equal 9a minus 7a. 4 plus 8 is 12 is equal 9a minus 7a is 2a. So now I will divide both sides by 2 because we have multiplication on the right side, and we need to find unknown a. 2 and 2 we can reduce, and we have a is equal 12 divided by 2 is 6. If we have unknown a, now we will come back to our side AC. AC is given by expression 7a plus 4. Now we can substitute a by 6, so we have 7 times 6 plus 4, so this is equal 7 times 6 is 42 plus 4 is 46. So we found AC. The next question we have to find CD. So C question, we need to find segment CD, the length of segment CD, and we have this red mark on side CD and ED. It means that these two sides are congruent. Side CD is congruent to side ED. It means that CD is equal to ED. And we have given that ED is given by expression 5a plus 3. So let me rewrite this equation. CD is equal ED, and this is equal 5a plus 3. We already found that a is equal 6. So we will substitute a by 6. So we have 5 times 6 plus 3. So this is equal, 5 times 6 is 30 plus 3, so it's 33. So we have the length of CD is 33. Next, we have to find ED. But we already found that ED is equal to CD. So in question C, we found already answer to question D. So we have here answer to question D. We have CD and ED is equal and have 33. Next, we have to check if point D is on the line AB. Because we have that CD is congruent to ED, because we have these red marks, it means that CD is equal to ED. So we can write, because CD is equal to ED, point D is equidistant from C and D. The distance from point D is the same to point C and point E, because CD is equal to ED. So point D is equidistant from C and E. So by the converse of a perpendicular bisector theorem, because CD is equal to ED, it means that D lies on the perpendicular bisector AB. Let me write this in parentheses. CD is equal to ED. It means that D lies on the perpendicular bisector of CE segment. This is converse of perpendicular bisector theorem. If CD is equal to ED, we have given that CD is equal to ED. It means that D lies on the perpendicular bisector of CE segment. So if we extend this line AB, D is on this line because CD is equal to ED. So this we have from converse of perpendicular bisector theorem. D is on AB line. This is my solution.